Okay, welcome back. That's another day and another for sale video. Today I'm offering up a early 1975 Seiko 6105 8119. This is actually the 49th 6105 produced in 1975, which I think is pretty cool. Got a January 75 production date, and it's serial number 0049. This watch has been fully serviced by me. It is a really clean example. I mean, you don't see very many that have lived this kind of life and been around for going on, nearly 45 years, 47 years, in fact, and have this sort of quality of presentation. It's just a gorgeous watch. Now, this watch was serviced by Seiko at some point in the pretty far past. I can tell that because on the case back on the inside, there was a Seiko Service Center mark. And it has on it, let's see if I can get this in the shot, it has Seiko replacement hands. They're actually service replacements. They're a slightly different shape hand than what came standard on a 6105, but they are what Seiko had. Now, I believe that they may have also replaced the sweep. It's a short sweep, but it's basically brand new, along with the hands. Now, I say that because of the service mark, because of the history that I've been told about this watch, and because of the consistency of the coloration of the lume. Now, the dial itself is absolutely original. I'll show a picture of the dial back, which has a year and month production of just before the case back. So I would stand by this as being a 100% original, all factory watch. And I say that because I view Seiko service hands as being hands that were produced by the factory and put on by Seiko. And so to me, that's a fair replacement, not from the aftermarket. So these are a hand style that came on watches from the mid-70s. Now, I have fully jeweled and fully serviced this watch. And what that means for me is that you get 2 new arbor port jewels. You get a complete overhaul of the movement. You get all new seals. You get a cleaning and a rebuild of the case. And most importantly, you get a rebuild of the crown itself. Now, these crowns are an outer crown. They actually go around the tube, the stem tube, and that's for the diving style watches. If it's not an actual dive watch, it will have its seal on the inside of the tube, which a lot of them do. This is now fully sealed and ready for wearing. I'll give you an example of what that looks like. So I have here the actual seal that came out of this crown. I'll put it here and I'll show you exactly what that looks like now. So here it is. For those who haven't seen me do this in a evaluation of a watch that I've restored, you can see I'm pushing on this and it is like a piece of glass. It's so hard. This is what I replace it with, this piece right here. And you can see that's a lovely soft O-ring donut that goes into the crown, and then I rebuild and reattach using nothing more than just the way that Seiko did it. I put this new seal inside of the crown itself, and then the watch is good to go. No moisture, no problem. This watch retains all of its original brushing, straight back text, nice original brushing on the top. It's never been polished. I've cleaned this watch, but I have not polished it. The lume is just absolutely stunning. Absolutely stunning on this watch. It comes on an Uncle Seiko branded Tropic, which I think's a really nice thing to have. I'll show you the features of the watch. It hacks, which is what they're supposed to do. We can go over the day and date turnover, or I'm sorry, this only has a date complication. So we'll make that go over. The crown just has this nice, good feel. It's not loose, it's not too tight. It locks as it should. There's the turnover. Once we get beyond 3 o'clock, I'll go ahead and just do the quick. So 1 click out for the quick. Oops, that was 2. There we go. We can run through here. And then the crown locks in place. You can see that's exactly as it should. This watch has a click ball that's slightly lower so there's a captured click ball in the stainless steel case, and they sort of pressed the area around the ball. And it does bump and click, but it's a little bit shallow in terms of the interaction between, you can hear it there. It still works exactly as it should. All new seals, all new gaskets. Everything is spot on, beautiful. Such a good watch. Well, if you're interested in a really nice example of a ever-increasing popularity watch, the Willards are just, everybody wants one. They are the watch. They are the Seiko Diver that everybody loves. That asymmetrical design is just so stunning. I love it. Well, again, if you're interested, please visit the site. The link is in the description below. Thanks for watching.